we had to move our desk to another area, and we decided to make a brand new desk. I mean, these desks are actually very strong. They can support a lot of weight. They're simple and they're actually lightweight. Okay, now we're going to get to do the other side. We're going to remove the magnets and remove the clamps. We cannot do it at the same time because the other legs, the table is kind of long and it's kind of like very close to the robot. It is fascinating to see the robot weld these tables for us, how he moves, how he remembers where to go, and how precise it is. The table is complete, and I'm just going to take it out of the jig. I'm going to break the magnets.